up? It's Joanne. Welcome to the ninth day of Vlogmas. And today we are going to be making some Christmas tree ornament slash decoration. That is a star. We all hang stars on a Christmas tree, and that's the reason I thought of making a star. In my last video where I made some ornaments for the Christmas tree, I forgot to add a star in that. I just made a candy cane, a wreath, and a gift box. This time we are making a star. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before we getting into this video, if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to not miss a single video of Vlogmas and my future videos. And I would really appreciate it if you guys could go smash that like button, share this video, and also drop me a comment. And now if you're ready, let's hop into this video.